Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your financial health with Chime, beginner guide step by step clearly. To protect your financial health with Chime, start by downloading the Chime app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it and create an account. You will need to provide your email address, phone number, and create a password. Next, verify your identity by following the prompts provided in the app. Chime may ask for additional information, such as your social security number and address. After your account is set up, link your existing bank account or direct deposit your paycheck to Chime. This allows for seamless money transfers and quicker access to your funds. Once your account is funded, explore the features available in the app. Chime offers a spending account, which functions like a traditional checking account. Use this account for everyday purchases to help track your spending. Chime also provides a savings account with automatic savings features. Enable roundups to save spare change from your purchases automatically. You might also want to set up a recurring transfer to your savings account each month. Next, familiarize yourself with Chime's budgeting tools. These tools can help you analyze your spending patterns and create a budget. Make use of transaction notifications to stay informed about your spending. Turn on alerts for low balances to avoid overdraft fees. If you ever encounter issues, utilize Chime's customer support feature for assistance. Stay aware of your financial health by regularly checking your account balance and transaction history. Review your budget frequently and adjust it as necessary. Finally, build good financial habits by setting up savings goals within the app. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your financial health with Chime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.